Hello, welcome to Larup's Positive Mindset. Today we're reviewing LinkedIn success. Here's what you'll discover when you take the first step and purchase this powerful guide for finding success on LinkedIn. Learn how to create a killer company profile on LinkedIn that will help you convert more leads and increase sales. Discover the secrets to effectively using content marketing on LinkedIn to gain more connections and increase brand awareness. Find out how to utilize LinkedIn groups to increase leads and become known as an expert in your industry. Learn why it's important to measure and monitor the results of your marketing efforts on LinkedIn. Discover the secrets to finding and selling your prospects on LinkedIn. Find out what rookie LinkedIn mistakes you need to avoid.
Incredible viewers, for joining us on this inspiring journey. Your support fuels our passion. If our content resonates with you, please hit that like button and share button, share it far and wide. Follow us for more inspiration, and don't forget to comment with your thoughts. Together, we conquer. Larups.